Hello, and welcome to Shotgunning Beers Until We Throw Up Part I Forgot.
Four Loko edition.
Yeah!
And by the way, the guy that sold us the Four Lokos at the Shell station, I know you're watching this. Thanks, man.
Just so y'all don't think this shit's fake and these bitches are unopened. Oh shit. Let's see if I can get this bitch funky.
We're gonna fucking die, dude.
Yeah, this shit's about to suck dick. Alright.
Time to meet God.
Fucking beer one.
Fuck. Motherfuckers up.
1, 2, 3, go.
It tastes so fucking bad.
God, dude.
Oh my fucking god, it tastes so bad. My eyes are watering.
Burp.
Oh my god.
Please don't throw up in my room.
I'm gonna throw up in your room, probably. That was immediate regret the second I tasted it. It was Hey. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kinda drunk.
I'm fucked up right now.
Alright, so we about to send beer number 2, but before I do, I would like to respectfully call out Harry Pender. I know you can send these bitches, so I'm trying to see that.
Secondly, all the way from New York, I'd like to call out Most Dope. Let's get bumped! Get bumped, baby! Yeah!
And the third, I'd like to call out Juice Vontae. I know he's popping on the TikTok shit, and I know he can send one of these fuckers. Plus, if you can't, I'd love to see you puke, boy. Come on, let's get it.
Alright. Hey, I fucked up and couldn't get my whole pot, but that's all I got it so far. I don't know. It's no cheating.
I'm choking because I'm a pussy.
Alright.
Pray to whatever God you believe in.
1, 2, 3, go.
Finally threw up.
Yeah. Bring it home. Bring it home, baby. Yeah, bring it home.
Let's go! That was the worst shit we've ever fucking done. Comment what beer we should do next.